We're going to the fair again. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, we got another new food to try. We've got the Grey Duck Sundae from Bridgman's Ice Cream by the Coliseum. I'm a little apprehensive about this. It's licorice ice cream. Licorice isn't my favorite flavor, so we'll see how this goes. It's got whipped cream, a cherry, and marshmallows as well. I will apprehensively dig in. Look at that. It's more of like a aftertaste of licorice, you know? I don't hate it. It's pretty good actually. I'd eat this again. So what are your thoughts on licorice?
I'm not a huge fan.
Yeah.
I tolerate it, but I really would not rather eat it. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, it's mostly kind of just like vanilla ice cream. But then you're right, it is a very aftertaste of licorice.
Yeah, it's like you breathe out and there's licorice there.
But it's mild enough that it's fine.
Yeah.
And the marshmallows are good.
Yeah. What are we up to?
Trying to find the llama costume contest.
A llama what?
Llamas dressed up in costumes.
Alright, we are in the Coliseum and awaiting the llama costume contest. And we have stumbled upon another competition, which appears to be llama agility. So I didn't know this was a thing, but it's amazing, and I can't get enough.
Not too many obstacles.
No, but they're doing limbo. It's so cool.
You have a desert fire versus llamas. But for the most part, just from a distance, sizes and uses. Okay, guys, the time is upon us. We are at 6:01, and I just got the go-ahead to bring in our first costume. Welcome to our 4-H llama and alpaca costume contest. Can we guess what it is, everybody? It's the Wizard of Oz. Don't you just love the line of lions? So that's our grander reserve. We are going to now place.
Do you have a favorite llama?
Definitely the taco.
Well, I don't know many state fairs that have a llama costume contest. But that was pretty cool to see.
Yeah, it was very popular. So if you want to get a good seat, get there early.
Yeah, it used to be at a smaller venue, and it fills up so fast. They moved it to the Coliseum, and it was just packed in there.
Yeah, very cool though.
Yeah, really cool to see. The llamas are judged based on difficulty of the costume being made and how much the llama is covered and tolerates it. And so if its like ears and eyes are covered, if its head is covered, if its feet are covered, those are more difficult things, and they get more points for that. It was really cool to see.
Yeah. So we got the cheese curd tacos, one of the kind of new foods this year. Some fried taco shells with some obviously cheese curds. One of them has chicken and bacon, the other one has bratwurst, I think. Oh man, it feels hot. I'm gonna burn myself on this, I think. That's pretty darn good. That's very good. But I got a lot of cheese curds in that first bite. Sauce is very good. Like a chipotle ranch or something like that.
I'm gonna try the other one. Chicken, bacon, and cheese curds. So let's give it a shot. Wow. Cheese curds are perfectly cooked. Taco shell is super crunchy. And that ranch dressing is incredible. I love it. Can't get enough. Well, we got here late in the day and we don't have much more time here, so let's go get some more food.
Yeah.
Alright, we just waited in line forever for Union Hmong Kitchen. We got coconut lychee colada, and we're gonna give it a shot. Wow. Okay, let me preface this by saying I generally hate coconut things, and this really has the most mild coconut flavor. Very fruity, so refreshing. I could drink the whole thing. Should have bought 2.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. It has like just a hint of herbalness to it as well. That line was worth it if we only got the colada alone, but that's not the only thing we got. We got some Hmong sausage as well. Comes with purple rice. The rice is a mix of white and black, which gives it that kind of purple color. And it's got some pickled vegetables as well. We got it with the lemongrass sauce. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see what it tastes like. This is the sausage. That it has that perfect grilled char to it. It's basically the same as like that sausage that we had in Thailand, in Chiang Mai. Spicy, herby. Whew. It's definitely got a heat that's building. And then I'm gonna try it with all the other things. This is my bite. It looks incredible.
No words needed.
No exaggeration, that is like absolutely incredible. It is good on its own, but it is absolutely mind-blowing when you eat everything together. It's got a heat that's building. I need that colada. Okay, this is absolutely worth the wait. I love exploring the state fair at night. It's so spacious. State fair at night is just magical. I love everything lit up. Well, that wraps up another day at the State Fair for us. Looking forward to more to come next time.
I'd say it's good.
Yeah, it pairs nicely with the smell of horses.
What goes well with cheese curds? Chocolate milk. Thank you.
And you know what goes good with chocolate milk? White milk.